Hello, friends. Welcome back to Talk Through Tales. Today, I'm going to share an amazing story called The Unique Project. It's a story about creativity, teamwork, and the power of new ideas. But that's not all. While enjoying the story, you'll also learn 25 powerful English words with their meanings and two example sentences for each. So get ready with your notebook and pen because today we'll not only listen to a story but also grow our vocabulary and improve our English in a fun and natural way. All right then, let's begin. Story 1: The Unique Project. Thai story: The Unique Project. In a small town, a young girl named Lena had a special ability to solve problems creatively. One day, her school gave her a small budget to create a science project. She decided to capture the beauty of renewable energy in a simple model. First, she began to define her plan clearly. She knew it would take time and effort, but she was ready. Her model's main feature was a small windmill that could light a bulb. She had to gather all the materials from nearby shops and highlight the importance of green energy in her presentation. Lena wanted to improve her design every day. When her teacher asked her to justify the idea, she confidently explained how wind energy helps the planet. Her knowledge impressed everyone. However, she faced a limit. The budget was too small. So she decided to manage it wisely and even tried to negotiate with a shopkeeper for a discount. Her main objective was not just to win, but to inspire others. On the final day, Lena had to perform well during the presentation. Everyone praised the quality of her project. It helped reduce the school's electricity use in a small way, showing a great solution to real life problems. Her target was achieved when the principal called her idea truly unique. He told her that students should value such creativity. The audience became witness to her hard work and success. Her project would yield great results in the future. From that day, Lena became the pride of her school's science zone. Let's explore the meanings of all 25 vocabulary words and learn how to use them correctly in real life conversations. 1. Ability, the power or skill to do something. She has the ability to sing beautifully. Hard work improves your ability to learn. 2. Budget, a plan for how to spend money. We made a small budget for the trip. The company increased the marketing budget this year. 3. Capture, to take or catch something. The camera can capture clear photos. The police captured the thief last night. 4. Define, to explain the meaning of something. Can you define the word success? The teacher asked students to define honesty in their own words. 5. Effort, hard work or attempt to do something. She passed the test after great effort. No success comes without effort. Sixth feature, an important part or quality of something. The new phone's main feature is its long battery life. This movie features a famous actor. 7. Gather, to collect or bring together. Let's gather information for our project. The children gathered flowers from the garden. 8. Highlight, to draw attention to something important. The teacher highlighted the key points in the lesson. I want to highlight your achievements in the report. 9. Improve, to make something better. Reading every day will improve your English. The company improved its customer service. 10. Justify, to give reasons or explain why something is right. He tried to justify his decision. You don't need to justify your feelings. 11. Knowledge, understanding or information about something. Reading books increases your knowledge. His knowledge of history, is amazing. 12. Limit. A point beyond which something cannot go. There's a speed limit on this road. Everyone has a limit to their patience. 13. Manage. To handle or control something. She manages her time very well. I can manage the work without help. 14. Negotiate. To discuss something to reach an agreement. We negotiated a lower price for the car. The manager is trying to negotiate with the workers. 15. Objective. A goal or purpose. My main objective is to learn English fluently. The project's objective is to help poor children. 16. Perform. To do or carry out an action. The students performed a drama on stage. She performs her duties honestly. 17. Quality. How good or bad something is. The shop sells high quality clothes. The quality of this product is excellent. 18. Reduce. To make something smaller or less. We should reduce plastic use. The doctor advised him to reduce sugar intake. 19. Solution. An answer to a problem. Every problem has a solution. They found a quick solution to the issue. 20. Target. A goal you try to achieve. She reached her sales target this month. My target is to finish the work by tomorrow. 21. Unique, one of a kind, special. Her ideas are always unique. Everyone has a unique personality. 22nd. Value. The importance or worth of something. We should value our time. I value your friendship deeply. 23rd. Witness. A person who sees an event. The witness told the police what happened. I was a witness to the accident. 24. Yield. To produce or give something. This farm yields good crops every year. Hard work always yields success. 25th zone. An area or region. This is a no parking zone. The city has a green zone full of trees, and that was the unique project. I hope you enjoyed this inspiring story and learned many new English words today. Remember, every new word you learn is like adding a new tool to your communication toolbox. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more such interesting and educational stories.